In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can control what people can see whenever you upload a workbook to Excel online. So here we have a workbook with a basic pivot table, a basic pivot chart, and some data. Let's just say you want to upload it online, share the link, but you want the people getting the link to only be able to see the data. To do this, you can go to File, now all the way to Info. From here, you can go down and then you can click Browser View Options, where you can adjust what people are able to see whenever they are viewing this workbook in the browser. So you can do Browser View Options in here. Under Show, you can choose which sheets, which items, which workbooks, even entire workbook, even if they're able to view it or not in Excel Online. So as you can see, I have unselected sheet 1 in Pivot because I have only wanted to see the data, which is called cookie sales. But it can also be as specific as selecting these specific items. Now, as you can see, it can be a bit confusing if you don't have your items named clearly, but the flexibility is there. Okay, but that said, if you're going to want to use a setting, you might want to enable multiple pivot tables or charts. You might want to name them accordingly. You can also set parameters, which is parameters are basically single cells that people may be able to edit. So let's just say you have a model in Excel. You want people to only toggle a couple different things in your model. You can add specific parameters like the year in this example, which make it to where people will only be able to edit really the year when it's viewed online. And to kind of show you what it looks like whenever it is uploaded online, as you can see, only the cookie sales is shown in the online version, but the Workbook Excel also has a pivot table. That's it. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.